Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Charge the speaker fully and disable any power saving or eco modes first. Update the speaker firmware if an update is available from the manufacturer. Place the speaker on a flat, rigid surface to improve resonance and reduce muffling. Elevate the speaker about 3-5 inches to allow fuller bass from the enclosure. Angle the speaker toward the listening position to focus sound. Keep the source device within 10 feet and remove objects that block direct sound transmission. Start by setting the source device volume to at least 80%. Avoid software normalization or limiters that cap peak output on the source. Use high bitrate files or lossless streaming to preserve dynamics and perceived loudness. Select the best Bluetooth codec supported, such as AAC or aptX, for lower compression. Apply a mild EQ. Boost around 2 kHz for vocal clarity and around 100 Hz for bass punch. Reduce frequencies below 50 Hz if the speaker distorts on deep bass. Consider a small external amplifier or powered DAC to increase clean output. Choose a compact 10W amplifier matched to the speaker's impedance for safe headroom. Position the speaker near a wall or corner to gain about 3 to 6 decibels of loudness passively. Add a passive radiator or bass reflex placement only if the enclosure supports it. Use foam isolation pads to reduce cabinet vibration and increase apparent clarity. Monitor for distortion and never drive the speaker into clipping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.